Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a collab video with the beautiful Jaclyn Rae. She's amazing. She's so on trend. I feel like she always knows everything that's going down, what's about to come out, like what's new and hot and fresh and young and hip that I know nothing about because I'm boring. And basically, you guys should be following her because if you want to know like when the Sephora VIP, I forget how to say that, I don't know, I think I said that wrong because I suck. But if you want to know like when that type of stuff's coming out, like what you should and shouldn't get, like what's worth it, what's not worth it, she is like the go-to queen. I feel like she's just like the in, you know what I mean? And I'm just kind of like boring and like, well, I don't know anything. I'm like always last to know, but she's awesome. She creates a beautiful, beautiful look. She has stunning crystal blue eyes, and I feel like you guys will love her just as much as I do. Sorry if this lash is like falling off and drooping because I had a very long day and I feel like I sweat off my makeup running around chasing my 3-year-old while we were at gymnastics. It was a rough day. So with that being said, let's just jump right into it. Oh yeah, and by the way, this is kind of like the 2-year update. We did this same video 2 years ago. I think I was pregnant then, so I was like huffing and puffing in the video, which is so sad. Oh, those were the days. First thing I'm loving is the Juno Company, the Moonshine Miracle Cream. I used it in my last video almost as a primer, but it really is miracle cream. It reminds me so much of the Charlotte Tilbury cream, the instant turnaround cream, which really does. You can go to bed with dry skin and you wake up and your skin's like super, super smooth and feels like a baby's butt, like brand new, but it's $1 million basically. This is like half the price and it literally works exactly the same. It just has this like really good revitalizing effect, especially if you have dry skin like me. When the weather changes and my allergies get all crazy, my skin gets crazy, so I have to be like picky and choosy with what type of like moisturizer I use, and I'm really loving this one. It's not oily, it's not greasy, it's lightweight. It almost has like this marshmallow effect, like it's very like light and supple, and it just feels really good on my skin and I really like it. And I feel like in the morning my skin does feel nice and new, so I definitely recommend this baby. Okay, so next up, I'm really loving Lorac. Ended up collabing with Rachel Zoe and they came out with some little goodies, and they came out with these little mini palettes. Like, look how little this is, so it's awesome. You can pop it right in your purse if you're going out for the night, or say you are working for the day, like it's Friday and then you're gonna go to happy hour and have drinks and you want to turn your night or your daytime makeup to nighttime. This can sit in your purse and dun dun dun, look how cute that is. It's just like a little mini, but it's got such pretty colors. They come with other ones too, but this one was my favorite. This one's the Golden Eyes. They have I think it's like Midnight Suit or something, which was really cute. So I really like these. So this one's the one I picked because it has these pretty little shimmers in it. Very pretty. So here are the swatches, really pretty. I love them. I feel like it's a good little palette to take you from day to night, and like again, it can fit right in your bag. All right, next up, I freaking love these and I can't believe I waited so long to try these because they have been my ultimate favorite palettes. This Baked Browns from Dose of Colors. I have actually been using this for my eyebrows and I feel like they've never looked better. I actually use eyeshadow all the time for my eyebrows because a lot of different eyeshadow colors that come as an eyeshadow are like too cool tone and end up looking gray on me, especially when you have micro bladed eyebrows. I don't know, it sometimes can be hard finding like a really good color. The mix of these is amazing and I love that. If you go away, I can use it for my brows, or if I want to do like a nice natural look, but then you can even smoke it up with the dark brown too, and it's just very nice on the eyes, very easy. But specifically for fall time, and you guys know I'm a corally basic bitch, like that is my jam. I love it. I love the Sassy Siennas because they got all my kind of orangey colors, but then I love the Blushing Berries as well because I love pairing the corally shades up with these berry colors. And then these two are almost like a dark coral but with more of that pinky peach tone in it, and I think they suit brown eyes so well and look beautiful. These are just like go-to fall colors, legendary. The colors of them, like the deep dark wines and the corally orangey colors. That's what I live for. This right here is what basic bitch dreams are made of. Then up next, I love these guys. The one is from Lorac and it's Silk. And and it is the creamy eyeshadow. And then the other one I'm loving, it's the Metalist Sparkling Foiled Pigment by Touch and Soul, and this color is, I don't know what color this is, but it's like a nice deep dark gold color. I'll swatch it on my hand. That one is by Touch and Soul. It's just like a nice dark deep goldy burnt brownish color. So this one's by Lorac, and it's just a little bit darker, and this one has way more gold in it, but they're so beautiful, and I wear them non-stop all the time. And what I love about them is I literally just put them on my lid, and then I'll use that baked browns with like one of the light colors, put it in my crease, and then it looks like I did my makeup, throw on some mascara, and you're good to go. And it just looks like you put your eyes together and make sure your eyes look nice and bright. It looks beautiful in the sun, like, you know, if you're walking around the orchard and you're being all folly and stuff, it looks really pretty. I will say so. Then you guys know I'm a gloss hoe, and I'm living for the Revlon, and this is Indulge in It. It's just like a deep dark brown. I've been loving browns a lot lately. I feel like I used to hate browns on me. I feel like I looked weird in them, but then I realized there's a certain type of tone of brown that I like, and once I find that tone, which is like this one, it's my jam. Like, it's got almost like a little bit of an orangey dark red in it type of brown. That's like what suits me best, and I feel like this is it for me. I love it. So I basically pair this with everything, especially during fall time, because that's when you're allowed to wear them deep dark lipsticks that I've been dying to wear during summertime, so I'm excited. I love the Highlight by Milk makeup. This is the Flex highlighter in Lit, and it's legit lit. I mean, hi. Let's take a look. So here's Lit right here. I like that it's not white, but it's almost more pearly, has a little bit of pink to it. It's really pretty, it's eye-catching, but it's not blinding and over the top. So I feel like this is a nice highlight to start wearing as my skin's dying down, getting real sad. You know, I'm not happy about it. Then last up, I completely forgot how much I love this, and I'm so sad that it sat in my drawer for so long, but I love the Graftobian Cosmetics concealer, and this is all liquid concealer. You can conceal and contour and all that stuff. Look at this guy. I love it. So as you start getting paler, sometimes for me it can be harder dealing with concealers because they can just really wipe me out and make me look very ghostly, I guess is what I'm looking for. I don't know why, but I love these because I feel like they have a really strong pink undertone in it, and I need more pink undertones as I get paler to make my eyes pop, because then the yellow can start turning a little orange, and I don't know, it's a weird situation. So I kind of look for more stronger pink undertones in the fall time as my skin settles and gets lighter. So I like that this has like a really broad range, and you can kind of like mix and match and kind of do what works for you. So that's something I love, especially as my skin's changing, because something might work for me one week, whereas the next week it might be a little bit off. So here I like that you get such a broad range of concealers that you can kind of play with it, make your own, and you're not out spending money after money after money on new concealers. So those are my picks for fall. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to go subscribe and check out Jaclyn. You're gonna love her as much as I do. And I love you guys, and I'll see you soon.